Hello friends, welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to make very delicious chicken soup. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Let's get started. Take a bowl. Add 2.5 teaspoonful of cornstarch. Mix it with water. Mix it well so that no lump is formed. Now let's take another bowl. Add 1 egg medium size. Whisk it. Now our main ingredients are prepared, so we'll start making the soup. We have taken chicken breast 250 grams, adding water 4 cups. Keep the flame in medium. Chopped carrot 1 medium size. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Salt half tablespoon. Black pepper powder half tablespoon. Cooking oil 1 tablespoon. After 5 minutes of cooking, now we'll add baby corn. Finely chopped 3. Mushroom chopped 4. Now cover it with the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Chicken breast is now cooked. We'll take it out and shred the chicken. Take it in a plate and shred it with the help of fork and knife. Adding the shredded chicken. Mix it well. Now we'll be adding cornstarch mix. Pour it slowly. Don't forget to whisk it so that it mixes well. Adding 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Mix it well. Now we will add beaten egg. Pour it slowly so that it mixes well. Egg is totally optional, but it actually enhances the taste a lot. Now we'll be adding 1 cube of Maggie chicken cube. It has added salt to it, so no need to add more salt. You can also add Ajinomoto. Finally, we'll be adding spring onions. Add lemon juice half. Our soup is ready to serve. Let's serve it in a serving bowl. It is very yummy and delicious, and at the same time very nutritious too. Try it at home and let me know your feedbacks. Serve the soup hot. If you like my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching.